Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if the man in your life struggles with keeping a good facial care routine, he's going to love using these facial wipes from Anthony. We have seen definite improvements in the texture of my husband's skin. It looks clearer with less blemishes, it's smoother, and you can even see that his pores are starting to diminish in size. That's thanks to the glycolic acid, along with aloe vera and vitamin E and other really good ingredients. And just as important as the good ingredients in these are the things that it doesn't have. It doesn't have parabens, phthalates, triclosan, or gluten, among other things. So the way you use these is there's a bumpy side that you're going to use first to exfoliate, and it's going to smooth and remove dead skin cells. And then you're going to flip it over to the smooth side, and then that cleans and tones the skin. So you don't even have to rinse this off. To me, the smell on these is like a strong witch hazel, which is one of the ingredients in the wipes. Having these in a package is so convenient because it's easy for on-the-go use. In fact, we even took it on vacation with us. These wipes have made it so easy for my husband to use 2 or 3 times a week to really get that rejuvenation for his skin, and that's our point of view.